Hello all, welcome to the bunkhouse kitchen. So today's project will be installing new kitchen faucet. Yay! It's one of the last big things I gotta do. So yeah, you know the drill, tag along, this should be fun. Except I can't get to any of the fittings. Alright, one kitchen sink, faucet installed. I still have to hook up water out here, so that will be on the upcoming projects list, and yeah, we'll show you actual running water in the bunkhouse. I know, I'm excited to see it as well. Stay tuned, guys. Thanks a lot. More projects coming. Have a good one.